I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2017 Audi S5. So from any screen, I'm actually just going to pause that. So from any screen, you've got nav and map up there. If I click nav like so, nav and map, the maps come up. If I click it again, it's now brought another screen up, and it says, where would you like to go? So that's what I want. I want to get directions from another place. So click on there. It's now brought up the alphabet, and I'm just turning the rotary control till we get to P. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, Preston. P, R. I now need numbers. That's just the alphabet. If I go across there, you'll see now it's showing up 1, 2, 3 there. It's not actually on the screen. So 1, 2, 3. That's brought up numerals. So we're PR5, 4, and then we go back, turn it back to the alphabet, and we're PR5, 4, E, and then back to A. Okay, so that's PR54EA. It's brought that up, but we're still on the alphabet. If I click back down like that, it's highlighted that PR54EA. I now select it, and you've got Preston Start, Route Guidance, Complete Destination, Start Route Guidance. You've got 3 routes here, fastest, most economical, and so on, yada, yada, yada. I'm going to take the first one. It's just timed out now. I'll just put it on voice guidance. Voice guidance there, you see, is off. So I'm going to click on complete. Voice guidance during calls. Unbelievably complicated. It's too stupid for words. The car drives brilliant. The audio system.
Please drive to the route shown.
Right. Okay. So that's telling me now. That's giving me voice instructions. Everything was switched off. I hope you understand that. Watch it back slowly. I mean, honestly, if this was the first car I'd ever got in, then I would forget about that and I'd just use my phone. It's far too complicated.